getting some work done. I'm up there at my peoples, man. Shout out to my auntie Wanda running this thing. Man, getting it right. Getting love stuff down here. We just did some floor work. I'm always doing floor work, man. I got so many trailers. I got so many trailers. I be able to keep up with the maintenance, man. So that's what I be able to do. Just got this done right here. Got this done. Y'all can see where I got all the floor work done. Then we got major floor work done right here. I had a major problem right here. This is really why I came and brought my trailer in, because this right here. But then me being picky and me having the best trailer repair people in the Atlanta area, you know, we find other things to do to patch up. We want to go ahead and get it right. Yeah, this is where I always bring my trailers to get repaired. Same place, man, all the time. Y'all can hit me up and ever let me know, man, if y'all need trailer repair in the Atlanta area. I got 7 trailers and I bring all my trailers to the same place to get repaired. You know, and my people is A1. You feel me? Can we make it work? Yeah? It's good? We can make it work? That's gonna be good. That's gonna be good. Well. Oh yeah, y'all see this trailer right here? We got a brand new landing gear put on this thing right here. You see this? This landing gear is brand new. When I say brand new, like it's just dusty, but it is brand new. You feel me? Oh yeah, we don't play no game, man. You gotta put that money into the maintenance. This trailer didn't have no mud flaps. I bought this trailer, it didn't have no mud flaps. But you know we gotta be DOT ready. So, mud flaps it is. Yep. Man, I am hot. Man, it's hot in Atlanta right now. I'm tired. Oh, let me step back in this AC for a minute, for a second. Ooh, man. More trailer repair, more maintenance. Gotta keep everything road ready though. Gotta stay road ready. If you always ready, you can't, you know what I'm saying? You won't be messed up out here by DOT, you know, so whatever I gotta do to stay in compliance, hey, DEEentrepreneur is gonna do it. You know what I'm saying? So I bought this trailer. It needed some work, it needed floors. Y'all know I buy all my trailers used and stuff, so, you know, I bought an older trailer, it got a new landing gear on there, new brakes, tires, they about 90%, which is fairly good. Like, you know, we can ride them like all year damn near, so we good on that. I got new drums put on there. Y'all seen the floor, and right now they're doing the mud flaps, you know, and then I'm gonna pull this trailer on out, man. And go and add this to the fleet. And hey, another trailer to make some more money. More loads. More trailers, more loads. You know, so that's what DEEentrepreneur doing, man. Y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at DEEentrepreneur. Y'all make sure y'all go. I don't know if y'all can see this. I might be a little dirty right now too, but y'all can get some of my apparel. Shopmud.com. And if y'all need any trailer repair, you know, for the best prices in town. Now, I ain't saying nothing is cheap. Nothing in life is cheap. So I ain't say, don't sit here and say, DEEentrepreneur, you told me it was cheap. I said the best prices in town. But they do great work, and they have the best prices in town. If you need trailer repair in the Atlanta area, hit me up. Hit me up. What else, man? Y'all already know, man, I don't push nothing on nobody, but I got the dispatching classes as well. Y'all could go on that. That link will be below, runnerfleet.com. Hey, if you need any assistance with website design, YouTube editing, I got the marketing team and stuff like that. For that, you can hit me up on Instagram at DEEentrepreneur for that. Also, for any of you that need factoring, if you need factoring, you need to make sure you get your money from a reliable factoring company, the #1 factoring company around where I'm at, which is one of the #1 factoring companies across the board. Y'all can hit me up, man. I'll have that link below. Hit me up if you need some factoring, if you need to get your money for these loads. Y'all can hit me up. And I think that's all I got for y'all, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. This is your boy DEEentrepreneur. I'm about to get ready to go back and check on this trailer repair. Let's see what's going on real quick before we get up out of here. Y'all can see where we at right now. Whoa. Fire! Fire! Hot fire! Oh yeah, we gonna be good. Hey, you the man. You the guy. You the man. You the man. You are. That's what I'm talking about. It's gonna be bien, man. I need to go make some dinero, man. Yeah. Yeah, gonna weld that. Oh yeah. Hot fire, hot fire. Oh yeah, hot fire. It make me the mud flaps, you know what I'm saying? Let's go. So yeah, like I said, man, I'm about to go back and step in this AC. I done already gave y'all all the links and everything. Man, it's just a day in the life of what I do out here in this trucking. Like, for real. I really do this. And I don't even like to just, you know, just say it like that. But I'm just telling the truth, though, y'all. Like, man, you know what I'm saying? I know it's hard out here, but, hey, you got to be just as tough. So y'all just remember that, man. And y'all take that. Hey, this is your boy DEEentrepreneur, and it's official this time. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. For real, man. My Get It Out the Mud family, we are gone. Yeah. I'm a money machine. I'm a money machine.